Ancestral Quest has a unique feature not found in any other software. We call it NetFam Collaboration, or just collaboration. This feature was designed to help teams of researchers work more effectively together. Traditionally, two or more researchers, when trying to coordinate work on their data, must send GEDCOM files back and forth to each other and spend time merging information from the GEDCOM with the data already in their file. This can now be a thing of the past. NetFam Collaboration allows two or more members of a team, relatives or professionals, to take turns editing a single file from any machine in the world. And as a side effect, it provides an off-site backup of your data so that if your machine crashes, all you have to do is reinstall Ancestral Quest and open the master file. To help you understand how collaboration works, let us show you this diagram submitted by one of our users for use in helping to train people. Let's say that you have a data file that you want to work on with others. So you would publish a copy of that file out to our server on the internet. This is a secure server. No one else in the world but you will have access to it. You will then send an invitation to those you want to work with. When they provide you with an ID after signing up with our server, you can then give them rights to work on this file themselves. They in turn then can check out a copy of the file, make changes locally, and then check it back in. Later on, another person could check the file out, make changes, and check it back in. When you later check this file back out, you will see the changes that were made by the others. Any person on the team can look at this file at any time and produce reports from it, but only one person at a time can check out the file and work on it. All others must take their turn. For purposes of this beginner tutorial, we won't take the time to show you all the things about collaboration. Let's just give you a brief overview. If you go to the Collaborate menu, you would first sign up to get an ID. Then you would publish your file. Then you can invite others to join you. Once they give you the IDs, you can then go down as the administrator and give them rights. Once they have rights to the file, they in turn can open the file, work on it, and then check it back in. You can have multiple files on the collaboration service, and each in turn you can open and work on. You can even limit the rights that some others would have so that all they can do is view the file. They would not be able to make changes. So if you are, say, a professional and you want your client to look at your work but not be able to change the data, then you could give them read-only access. Another interesting thing is we have the ability to tell who made what changes when. So if you go to the Tools menu and then go down to the change log, if you activate the changes, you will then start recording a log of which changes are made and by whom and when that you can later review. You even have the ability to back changes out. If this is a feature that sounds interesting to you, you can try it at no cost. We currently have a policy of allowing you to sign up on the service and use it for 3 months without fee. Someday we intend to implement a fee for storage of these files on our server. As of yet, this has not been implemented. So go ahead, give collaboration a try.